Good morning, dear students. This is AMIT SIR. In the previous class, we already learned that the storage capacity of a computer is called its memory. Memory of the computer is measured in various units, and a bit is the smallest unit of information which a computer can process. Also, the computer memory is divided into two parts, that is, primary memory and secondary memory. Today, we are going to explore more primary memory. So, what is primary memory? The primary memory is also known as main memory or the internal memory. It is the built-in memory that is fixed inside the CPU. That means the primary memory is generally embedded into the motherboard. It stores data or instructions that are currently used by the computer. That means, suppose you are using a computer application like media player for playing a music. So, the computer will use its primary memory to store the information or the instructions that are going to be executed during playing the music. The minimum size of a primary memory is 256 MB and we can increase the size anytime. Further, primary memory can be divided into two parts. These are RAM and ROM. Let's talk about what is RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is referred to read and write memory. That means the information can be written onto and read from the RAM. RAM is generally volatile in nature. That means whenever the power fails or the computer is switched off, all the information or the instructions that has been stored in RAM are lost. So, the information stored in RAM are on temporary basis. Look at the picture of RAM. Now let's talk about ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. In ROM, the data is stored permanent. It is a non-volatile in nature. That means the data retains in ROM even when a computer is switched off or the power fails. In most of the computers, ROM is used for storing a special program that is called BIOS, Basic Input and Output System. The BIOS program helps to load the operating system when the computer is switched on. Whenever you switch on your computer, the first program that the computer loads is called BIOS. Further, ROM is divided into three kinds. These are PROM, EEPROM and EEPROM. PROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. It is a memory chip on which we can store a program. But there is a limitation. Once the PROM is used, we cannot wipe it or clean it and use it to store something else. That means it can be programmed only once under a special condition. Check out the picture of PROM. Next is EEPROM. EEPROM stands for Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. We can erase its stored information by exposing it to the ultraviolet light. EEPROMs are cheap and reliable and hence they are used widely. Check out the picture of EEPROM. Next, EEPROM. EEPROM stands for Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. The information written in it can be erased using electric signals. Electric signals are used to erase the data on a EEPROM. So, you can again program the EEPROM. Check out the picture of EEPROM. We will talk about secondary memory in our next session. That's all for the day. Stay safe. Have a nice day.